Hey there, quick review on this Spacekeeper 3-tier rolling cart. Very nice product, high quality, easy to assemble, only takes a couple minutes to put together and no tools required. Everything just snaps together. Black finish on here, looks very nice, it's plastic. It comes with a variety of accessories also for cord management. So if you're going to put any kind of electronics on this, such as printers, etc., you have the option to clip these different plastic pieces on to manage your cords, etc. So that's a nice addition. The rollers on the bottom work really well, rolls around nicely. As you can see, they also do have a locking mechanism on the rollers, so if you want that to stay put, you can just click that down and it won't move around on you. You will notice the plastic trays do have perforations on those, good for air movement, etc. Overall, a nice cart. It's going to be great for a lot of different storage options. If you need a 3-tiered shelving unit for a small space, this is going to be a great product. Good design overall, really easy to put together. I would definitely recommend it.